Hey, appliance junkies. I just got a part in. It's a start switch for a GE dryer. I just told that my appliance guy here just set it on the dryer back there for me, our warehouse guy. So, hey man, it's Christmas. We got some mail. Let's go check it out. See if we can put this switch in. It shouldn't be a big deal. A couple wires, no big deal. Got the part from Matt, by the way. Thanks, Matt. He's got a video about selling parts on eBay. And I didn't go on eBay. I just called him, said, hey man, I need this part. But here it is right here. Let's see if we can get it out. Lay it out if you can see that. So here's our part. Nothing fancy, just how it goes in. Let's see here. Let's see if we can get this over here. The main thing is that these grooves line up. See those grooves? This thing's got to go in there and then twist in order for it to work right. So we've got the grooves. So I can get one-handed, show you the grooves right there. And we'll put this in here. Line it up just right. And spin it till it clicks. You hear that click? Lets me know that's in place. And I took a picture of these wires with my phone so I know where they go. So I know this red one goes to the top left over here. And this brown one, the top right. This other brown one is going to go down here. Alright, make sure all those are in snug. And that's on there. Alright, we'll flip this lid back up. Let's see, put you down there. Alright, flip this lid up. We've got our torque screws. We've got 4 of them right here. We'll go ahead and pop in here. Alright, let's put our knob back on. Pretty self-explanatory, just pushes right on there. All right, then we are going to plug it up. Let's see if that did the trick. Let's see here. That's it. That did it. Start switch is in. Oh yeah, good and hot coming out of there. That's it. That's it. You just fixed your GE dryer with a start switch. Part was about $6. We'll get this thing cleaned up and we'll get it on the floor. All right, junkies. Till the next time. Later. Don't forget to like and subscribe.